So in this class today we learn something about radical. So the objective of this lesson is to be able to deal with radical. You need to be able to take radicals from a form and to convert it to another form. For example, in this question we are asked to convert these mixed radicals to entire radical. So the first thing we need to deal with is anything outside the radical. So 5b is equal to 5b to the power of. Okay, when you want to write the power, you need to see which roots you have here. If you have a square root, you put the power of 2. If you have a cubic root, you put the power of 3. If you have a fifth root, you put to the power of 5. Whatever root you have there, you put it to the power. And then you can add your cubic root after that. Now, the only thing we need is to put this equal to this. So this is equal to 5b this times this, so which is the cubic root of 5b to the power of 3 to the power of 3 times the cubic root of 3b squared. And now you can take all this, because both of them have the same roots. You can just take one root and put everything inside that root. So 5 to the power of 3, b to the power of 3, 3b squared. And now we have a b to the power of 3 and b squared, and you know that b squared times b to the power of 3 is equal to the b to the power of 2 plus 3. So this will give you 5 to the power of 3 times 3 times b to the power of 5. Okay, now we will work with the dividing radicals. So the first thing you should be aware of here is when you want to work with radicals, you need to be able to give attention to what is the roots here. Is it they have the same roots or no? If, for example, this is a 3 and this is 2, no, we cannot do anything with them. But as long as they have the same roots, we can work with them. So the first thing we will do here is we will put everything inside a single square root. So we will get our 24x squared divided by 3x. And this is 24. So I can write it as like this: 24 divided by 3 times x squared over x. And here we can easily see that 24 divided by 3 is 8, and x squared divided by x is just x. And you can put again your square root. Now you know that 8 is 4 times 2. So I will write it as 4 times 2. 4 times 2 times x. And I know 4 is 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 2 times 2x square root. And as long as I have this number have the same power as the roots, I can take it out. It is allowed to take it out. So it will be 2 square root of 2x. So in general, if you have a multiplication between two numbers that have the same roots, Okay, you can put the numbers that have the same roots in a simple root. Okay, and you can just multiply all whatever is outside the roots. And the same thing for the division. You can do also the division if the numbers with the roots have same roots. You can put them in a single root and you can do the division. It is not that difficult, it is easy. The only thing you need to be careful and to watch for is the power that you have here or the roots that you have here.